Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. Are you looking for a spray to make your room smell amazing, but also that you can feel comfortable spraying all over your house, around your kids and your pets? This spray by MOXE will be perfect for you. I'm super happy to have it, and I love being able to spray it everywhere. I even feel safe spraying it right on my son's robe if he gets a little bit smelly. On the top, it even has a little piece so you can make sure that it does not spray when you don't want it to. I love that it uses essential oils. I am not one to keep up on using a diffuser, but I love how easy this is to get essential oils around our house to smell really good. The sprayer works really well, and I didn't have problems with it getting stuck or anything like that. This is the happy scent, and all I can tell you is when you spray it, you think happy. That's what it smells like. I was also really impressed with how long this lasted. It is not a super strong spray, so there's no choking when you're spraying it. But even after like 3 days after spraying this on the pillow, I still would get little whiffs of it. Highly recommend this product. Your house will smell amazing. And that's my point of view.